It's a 2017 Lincoln MKZ. Elegant throughout, precisely crafted, it's everything you want in a luxury sedan. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, Sync Services Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, continuously controlled damping automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, adaptive suspension, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes one positive is the Lincoln steering. We do like how the sedan's electric assist power steering is tuned. It's as precise as a good hydraulic assist system. Lincoln, luxury accommodations for your everyday. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Car buying is broken.
Car buying is broken?
Broken.
Broken. And we're here to fix it.
We're here to fix it.
But we're here to fix it.
We're here to fix it.